Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a video with Afsister. I'm going to be showing you guys their new wig, which is their Invisible Knot Wig. This is how the wig comes straight out the packaging, so you guys can see that. It's in this net thing, and what else? You get a wig cap and some combs and a strap. So here I'm just putting on my wig cap, and I want to tell you guys a little bit about this wig. So they have this new knotting method where it's like they put one hair strand into the lace, and here I'm showing you the inside. I did get a full lace wig, and I also got it in 18 inches. Right here I'm just showing you how seamless that is, because compared to normal wigs, you know, when you put it up against your hand you can see those black dots. But this one, because it's so invisible, you can't see anything, and it's already pre-bleached, all of that for you. And the difference between this and the Premade Fake Scalp is this does not come with a wig cap inside, but the Premade Fake Scalp does. And the Premade Fake Scalp, you know that the knots are a little bit bigger, and the longevity of the cap inside is not going to be that much. But this, since they lightly did everything for you, this hair does not shed or anything like that. It's really, really nice. And they have different options. So mine is a full lace wig, but you could get like the regular frontal wig, and you have different options of the ones you can get. I will link it down below so you guys can choose. But yes, and they also have 360 lace. So right here I'm just going ahead and I'm hot combing the hair back because I wanted it to be flat. And this wig is 180% density, I believe, and this is the thickness of it. All the information will be in my description box. If I'm wrong, just go down there and it's all going to be there. I'm going to make sure that it's there. But here I'm just cutting the lace off. This lace is really, really thin, so I really didn't have to do too much to it. I just sprayed some Got2b spray. You can use spritz, but that's all I basically did. And this wig was really easy to work with, so thank you Afsister for coming out with this invisible knot wig, because this is really, really good. Right here I'm just cutting it off, and I'm just gonna play some music because I don't really have any more information to give because it's very self-explanatory. I'm just gonna spray this Got2b and blow dry the hair and then tie it down, and I'm basically done. I did not do baby hairs with this wig because I just wanted to show you guys what this wig was giving. If you do want to wear this hair in a ponytail, you can, but you want to make sure that you glue all around the wig. I'm not going to do that because I never glue the back of my head. Like, that's crazy. But yeah, that's basically all I'm doing. And I just wanted to tell you guys, the thing I'm tying my hair with is a wig grip. And right here I was just showing you different parting areas. You could part it straight down and all of that. This wig is so nice. Like, it did not give me no problems. Right here I'm showing you the back of the wig. The only thing I'm gonna say is I wish it was a little bit darker because this is a white woman's scalp. Like, I don't understand. But yep, I'm just doing a little cornrow right here just to show you guys you could part this anywhere and do any style with it. But this is basically the end of the video. I was just doing a little bit extra just to show you guys the different stuff you can do with this wig. And yeah, bye.